What's going on guys, Ramesh here. In this video I'm going to show you how to create and set up Spring Boot project with IntelliJ Community Edition. So in previous video I have shown you how to create Spring Boot project using initializer and how to import this project in IntelliJ IDEA. So this is the first way and it is very simple way to create and set up Spring Boot project in IntelliJ IDEA. So another way is we can use a plugin in IntelliJ IDEA to directly create Spring Boot project in IntelliJ IDEA. Alright, so in this video I want to show you how to install a plugin in IntelliJ IDEA, that is Community Edition, which is free and open source, and with the help of plugin we can create a Spring Boot project directly in IntelliJ IDEA. So okay, we no need to go here to the initializer, Spring initializer, and create a project and extract it and import in IntelliJ IDEA. So this is a kind of time consuming process, right? So instead of that, what we'll do, we'll install a plugin in IntelliJ IDEA, and with the help of plugin we will create Spring Boot project directly in IntelliJ IDEA. Alright guys, let's head over to the IntelliJ IDEA and let's first install the plugin and then we'll create a Spring Boot project. So just click on IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition 2020. So this is the latest release of IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition I am using. So here is the user interface of IntelliJ IDEA. So this is the welcome screen. Alright guys, so here if you can see here different options like projects, customize, plugins, and learn IntelliJ IDEA. And in project section we can create a new project, or we can also import an existing project. We can import existing project from version control system, and here we can use customize to customize our IntelliJ IDEA ID. And here in the plugins we are going to install Spring Assistant. So with the help of Spring Assistant plugin we can create a Spring Boot project using Spring Initializer. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go ahead and let's first install Spring Assistant plugin. So here in a search just type Spring Assistant. So here it is. Alright guys, let's go and let's install this Spring Assistant plugin. Click on install and accept. So this will install Spring Assistant in IntelliJ IDEA. Let's go ahead and let's restart the ID. Restart. Alright, once we restart IntelliJ IDEA, click on new project here and look at here Spring Assistant. So once you successfully install plugin in IntelliJ IDEA, you can able to see this option Spring Assistant, and if you click on this Spring Assistant, here you can see Spring Initializer integrated website here. Alright, so we're going to use this Spring Initializer in IntelliJ IDEA directly with the help of this Spring Assistant plugin. Alright, going forward we'll be creating Spring Boot projects using Spring Assistant plugin in IntelliJ IDEA. So for Spring Boot project we need a JDK environment, right? So for that you can choose from here. So IntelliJ IDEA automatically detect the Java version that you have installed on your machine. So I have installed and have configured JDK 1.8. So IntelliJ IDEA automatically detect this version from my system. And if you want to add different JDK version, then you can use add SDK option here, and you can also use download JDK option. Alright, so IntelliJ IDEA basically provide different ways you can get the JDK environment. Alright guys, so we use this default Spring Initializer option, and go ahead and click on next. And here we need to configure the project properties. So let's go ahead and let's give group ID as com.java guides, and artifact ID name like Spring Boot, something like first app. So we are developing our first application, that is Spring Boot application in IntelliJ IDEA. So let's give this name, and artifact ID is same as project name, and choose language Java and project type Maven, packaging as a jar, Java version choose 8, and here just change the package name com.java.springboot. So once you are happy with the details, click on next, and here we need to choose the Spring Boot version. So let's keep 2.4.2. so this is the latest and stable release of Spring Boot. Let's keep as it is, and here we need to select the dependencies. So we're going to create a very simple REST API to test our Spring Boot project setup in IntelliJ IDEA. So for that we're going to choose Spring Web Starter dependency. So go ahead and click on web, and here you can see Spring Web, so just tick mark it. Alright, so look at here, this is the default project structure, and this is alright guys, this is the main Spring Boot class, which is annotated with @Spring Boot application annotation. So if you want to know more about this annotation, you can just mouse over it and you can read the doc here. So basically this annotation is combination of 3 annotations, that is enable auto configuration, component scan annotation, and Spring Boot configuration. Okay, great. Just run this project, right click and run as Spring Boot first main. So this class contains main method, so we can run this class as a standalone application. So look at here, Spring Boot is up and running. So by default Spring Boot comes with embedded Tomcat server. So look at here, Tomcat started on port 8080. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and let's create a simple REST API. Let me stop the server first. So first create a class, right click new, and then choose Java class, and let's go ahead and let's give class name as something like welcome controller. Hit enter. Let's annotate this class with @REST controller annotation, and inside this controller let's create a method public. To keep it simple, the REST API I'm going to develop, which returns simple string. Let's give method name as welcome and just return welcome to Spring Boot world, something like this. And let's annotate this method with @getMapping annotation, and let's configure the endpoint here. I'm going to give as welcome. It's very simple REST API guys, and this REST API basically handles HTTP GET request with REST endpoint welcome. Now let's go ahead and let's again run this Spring Boot project. Go to the main Spring Boot class, and look at here, this is the icon. You can click on it to run this Spring Boot project. It's very simple, isn't it? So let's wait. Once the Spring Boot application up and running on embedded Tomcat server, then we will test this REST API from the browser. Alright guys, Spring Boot application is started and deployed in embedded Tomcat server on port 8080. Let's head over to the browser now. I'm in a Chrome browser, and just type localhost 8080/welcome. Hit enter. Yeah, here we go. We got a response of this REST API. Alright, welcome is the REST API, and we got response of this REST API. I hope this video helpful to you guys, how to create and set up Spring Boot project in IntelliJ IDEA. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in next video.